record it here. So today the agenda of our class is called, actually we'll discuss on SFDC life cycle, and what is the life cycle of Salesforce, and what are the products of Salesforce, and what are the users, and what are the user licenses in salesforce.com. Okay. Okay, so we'll okay. So here we can discuss on Salesforce life cycle. So are you guys ready? So shall we start the class?
Yeah,
Okay, fine. So we can start it here. Okay. So what is Salesforce life cycle? Okay. Here we have a marketing cloud. Marketing management is the first, actually, where we can market it our products, then we can sell our product, then we can provide a customer service. This is the life cycle our salesforce.com CRM. First we have a marketing management and sales management, and then customer service management. Okay. So in the marketing cloud we can include, these are different things, actually. Campaign management, we have a lead management, we have a contact management, which includes in marketing management, which includes campaign management, lead management, contact management. What it means, I will explain you now. Then we have a sales management, which includes opportunity management, which includes an account management, which also includes forecasting. Okay. And then service cloud, which includes case management and solution management and customer portal. So this is what actually we have a marketing cloud and sales cloud and service cloud. Okay. So we can start with terminology, actually. Here you can see that generally I diagram you can see here. We start with marketing campaigns. Either we can campaign it through email, or we can campaign it through social media, or we can campaign it through webinars, or we can campaign it through trade show or teleconference or whatever it may be. Okay. From the campaign, so we'll get the leads here. Okay. From the leads, we'll generate an opportunities called deals. Okay. From the deals, will the revenue will be generated. Okay. So I'll go through each and everything. What is a campaign? Okay. Here you can see in our class, a campaign is nothing. Someone, okay, fine, so I'll do that. Okay. So campaign, so we have a campaign. So what is a campaign here? A campaign is nothing but a program, a direct email program. A campaign is a program where we can campaign our product in a different ways, whether it's a email program, or whether it's a seminar, or whether it's a I'm sorry, seminar, or whether it's maybe a advertisement. Okay, advertisement, or whether it's a banner ad. Okay, or it's maybe a whatever it may be, actually, whether it's a trade show or teleconference. Okay, or it's a trade show, whatever it may be, we can campaign in a different ways. A campaign is a direct email program. Okay. uh, this is what actually campaign, are you clear about campaign? What is campaign? A campaign is nothing but if you have a specific product in your hand, you need to campaign about your product. Suppose if you take my company called Perkinelmer, okay, this is a website. I have a different products are available on website. I need to campaign it, marketing. There is a team called marketing team. They will do the campaigns. Campaign will do. Okay, let me show you. so that you will get understand. uh, test.salesforce.com. What happens is my marketing team people having they will campaign our products, they will campaign it actually. What they will do is here, as I said, salesforce.com provided there is a team called actually marketing, right? So I think it was not, yeah, pod out is marketing actually, I renamed it here. So here you can go for campaigns. Okay, in the campaign, this is a Salesforce system where we can click on new. Okay, my marketing team will come here, they will do what is the product you are going to campaign it. Okay, what is the business you are dealing with. Here you can see that what is the campaign name. So I would like to sell my product called Kim Draw product. There is a product name called Kim Draw. I assume that. How you are campaigning. So whether it's a campaign direct email or whether it's a email campaign, what it is. Okay, email campaign is you need to send a mass email to the customers. Actually, here status is a planned or in progress or completed. What is the status? It is a planned. Okay, so how you are campaigning? Different options here: telemarketing, trade show, or what is the start date of campaign? What is the end date of campaign? You need to take it out. What is the business element? We have a different businesses in our organization. I assume that we have informatics, we have a life sciences, we have a diagnostics, we have a we have another business called environmental health, whatever it may be. Okay, what is the business it is? Okay, what is the product you are looking for? It is a spot fair product or whatever the product it is. Advertisement type, suppose. Okay, you need to campaign it. Okay, you need to track the campaign here. Okay, save it. So here, this is the campaign. From the campaign, as I said, we'll get the leads. Suppose I did a campaign about my training, so generally we'll get a leads from the campaign. So if someone did a campaign, they'll get a leads. As soon as leads are available, as soon as leads are available, what happens is my marketing team people will enter a leads in the system. Okay, leads will enter. So generally I created, there is a campaign called 2006 chem draw. From this campaign I got, there is a lead. Assume that we'll go ahead and we'll create a lead in the system. Okay, what is the record type? I'll tell you later, just you can ignore it. Actually, we'll capture a leads here. What is the status? What is the lead? Lead is called, suppose, Rakesh. Assume that anything. Okay, so you can capture lead is a campaign. What is the company he is working for? Is a company working for Sintel? I assume that. Assume that any of the company. What is the lead source? It is a advertisement it got, or what is the lead? From where it is the source? It is a campaign or email. Okay, from the source. You can say what is the campaign name we got this lead? So we got that 2016 chem drop. Okay, I think it's a campaign we need to use 2006 chem draw active. We need to make it as an active, otherwise it will not come there. Okay, so here 2006, from this campaign I got this lead. You can save it. You can forget about remaining fields. I'm just understanding you. As soon as lead is created in the system, okay, from the campaign we'll get the lead. A lead is nothing but a lead is any person, an organization, or any of the company who is interested about our product. Leads are not actual customers, which is a prospect or potential and opportunity. Here I got a lead called name called Rakesh. Assume that as soon as lead created in the Salesforce system, it will be assigned to the sales rep, lead owner. How it will be assigned? As soon as you create a lead in the system, okay, it will be assigned to the sales rep. Okay, a sales rep may be US or any region, America's region or Europe region or EMEA region. Okay, I'm sorry. EMEA region, Europe region, and APAC region. Okay, any of the region. How it will be assigned? Because as soon as lead created, based on the country you selected in the lead. Okay, here in the lead, we have an option called country, address information. In the address, you need to specify whether it's a US or whether it's a India or whether it's a UK. So based on the country, it will assign to the respective sales rep. In our salesforce.com, there are some predefined rules are available. Are you clear? Some predefined rules are available. Some predefined lead assignment rules are available. Based on the country, it will go ahead and assign the respective sales rep in my organization, so that sales rep will follow up with customers actually. Okay, if my customer is accepted, then I will, if it is not accepted, what I will do is I'll go ahead, I'll there is a lead status is available. Okay, lead status here. If he is not interested, what I will do is I'll make it as an abandoned, means not relevant, needed, not interested, and bad contact details or pick enroll, whatever it may be. We need to specify here. So no interest about my product, abandoned. I am abandoning my lead. Okay, suppose if you are interested, then what we'll do is we'll convert this lead to account, okay, and opportunity, and then contact. There are three we'll create. A contact is here. A contact is nothing but a person, means a Rakesh is created as a contact. Okay, and we'll convert as an account. Account means the company is working called Sintel. Means for the Sintel, we are selling out our product. We are selling our product to the organization, where contact is a Rakesh to deal with. Because if you want to sell any of the product to the organization, you need a contact, right? Means where we can deal with him and we can sell our product. And then we can convert as an opportunity. Opportunity is a potential deal. Okay, a deal where we can start our sales process. Start our sales process. Okay, so let's see, we'll convert here. I'll convert this lead, so that I'll show you. I think here there is a subject is required, due date is required. I think it's converting, give me a minute. Okay, no problem. So it will already converted. Here you can see that it converted as a contact first. Okay, Rakesh. It's what is the company he is working as a company called. Then it see that this is an account. Account is called Sintel. Okay, and then it will also convert as an opportunity. Opportunity called a company name by default. If you want to change it, you can change it. Okay, instead of opportunity name, you can put something else. Okay, that's fine. So as soon as lead converted, it will convert into contact, account, and opportunity, where our sales process will start. In our sales process, our sales rep will negotiate with the customer about that. What is the product he is interested? He will add a product. He will tell that boss, these are the discounts are available, these are the offers are available, so you can go ahead and buy it. If he is interested, he will. If he keeps on follow up with, we have a different stages. First, qualification and need analysis, and preferred if customer, if it reaches certain stage, preferred. Then at the last, negotiating and forecasting with the customer. Then we have a closed won, means we won the opportunity, otherwise we lost an opportunity. So these are the different terminologies in salesforce.com. We have a campaign, we have a lead, and we have a contact, we have a account, we have an opportunity. Okay, and then assume that our opportunity won, we sold out our product. Then at some point of time, definitely we'll get a problem, right? That is called a case in Salesforce system. Case is nothing but a customer problem or a customer feedback. Customer problem or a feedback or a suggestion from customer called a case. Okay, then there is a terminology called forecast. What is a forecast? A forecast is a best estimate how much revenue we can generate in a quarter, in a year. Okay, we can use a forecasting. Forecasting will help to generate. This is helps for end users. Okay, end users will create different reports to see how much revenue is got generated from last one quarter, last year, coming year, or something like that. Okay, so there is another terminology called reports and then dashboards. Okay, reports are just summaries. Okay, reports are just summaries to analyze the data. Okay, whatever the data available in our opportunity, because I want to see how many opportunities are got generated with the closed one. Okay, how many are closed from last 1 month. Okay, how much, what are the opportunities, open opportunities, what are the closed opportunities, what are the top 10 customers, who are the top 10 customers. If you want to create a reports, yes, you can summarize the reports. Okay, this is what actually. And dashboards are just a visual representation of reports. Okay, otherwise a graphical representation. So if you want to see in a charts, actually generally how we can show is when you go to dashboards, let me click on, I'll show you here. Whatever the data available in our organization, you can show in a graphical representation, but I'll show you in depth each and everything. But here, these are called dashboards. Dashboards are just visual representation of data available in our organization. First, you need to create a report. From the report, you need to create a dashboard. So, are you clear? Do you guys have any queries till now about Salesforce lifecycle and its terminology? How the lifecycle? First, campaigns, marketing module, then opportunities, leads, then we have a sales module, then we have a cases, customer problems, then that is a service module. And for these three modules, there are common called reports and dashboards. So, any queries? Do you guys have any queries till now? Guys?
No,
Anyone having any queries?
no, no, no.
Okay, fine. So I saw there is another guy called Shivaraj. Have you joined yesterday, Shivaraj?
Yes, I joined yesterday and I
Oh,
also got an email
okay, okay,
to
fine.
join today.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is called actually Salesforce life cycle. So I noted on each and every point here actually campaigns, leads, deals, revenue, everything will be I tracked here actually. Okay, what is the life cycle happens actually? Okay, as soon as suppose I created, there is a Rakesh here today. What happens from Rakesh? There is a lead. If he is interested, then I'll convert his account, contact, and opportunity. That's fine. What happens if Rakesh again interested about one more product in my organization? What happens is, if the lead is already available, okay, if they come back again at the first sale will convert as an account and contact and opportunity. For the second sale, if he is interested about one, will directly, since we have already account and contact is available, will create directly opportunity. Will create directly an opportunity, since maybe your contact changes a job, because my contact is working for the company called Sintel. Maybe he may change some other company, right? You need to create a new account. The contact will not create. Contact is already available. We'll create a new contact and we will change, will associate actually here as soon as contact, will associate a new account to Rakesh. There is another account and we'll assign him and we'll create an opportunity. So this is a logical progression will happen actually. Okay, are you clear? Okay, and so this is what actually a Salesforce life cycle, SFDC life cycle. Then we can take a look at it. What are the products of Salesforce.com? What are the products? What are the different products of Salesforce.com? Okay, in Salesforce.com, we have different products are available. One of the product called Force.com. Okay, different products. One of the product called Force.com. Okay, which will be used to customize an application development, which will be used for application development. Okay, to customize your application, you have a salesforce.com application available. If you want to customize an application, yes, you can go ahead and customize your application actually. Platform as a service. Okay, as I said yesterday, there's a force.com which is called a pass. You remember or not? Pass, platform as a service. Okay, using force.com we can customize. Suppose here you can see there is a menu called force.com here. Okay, I'll tell you separately. So using this menu, using this platform, this is the product, one of the product of Salesforce, which will come as a free with when you buy a license, which will come as a free. Okay, is the one of the product called force.com pass. Using this product we can do the application development. Okay, another product called charter.com. Here when you go to any sales or something else, we have, there is a charter will be available actually. I think here there is a charter here. Okay, here in the charter group we can collaborate between the employees. It will act like a social network. Okay, for internal, so you can work collaboratively, including sourcing ideas, solutions, sharing files, sites, articles, and videos. Okay, you can collaborate between the employees to share files, videos, or messages, and to suppose if you want to talk internally, yes, there is a charter.com, which is also one of the product called salesforce.com product called charter.com. Okay, charter.com, which is one of the free product of salesforce.com. Okay, I described. There is another product called data.com. Okay, data.com is one of the product of salesforce.com, which is a licensed one, which is a license, we need to buy it out. Okay, which will be used to share the data between employees, to share the data between employees. Okay, to share the data between the employees actually online. And also it prevents to enter duplicate data, in the system. Okay. So this is the one of the product called data.com and another product called work.com. Okay, which will be used to manage the work between the manager and the employees, which is the one of the product of salesforce.com. Actually, work.com builds a results driven culture with the social goals, real time feedback, open recognition, and easy coaching. Motivate your team, improving coaching align around your goals. Suppose if you want to set a goals with an employees and manager, we can easily measure the performance using work.com. There is a work.com. Okay, there is one of the product called here, one of the product called force.com, chatter.com, data.com, work.com. Okay, another one is called app exchange. There is a product called app exchange. Okay, app exchange is a marketplace where we can buy, where we can get the apps, and we have a free apps are available and licensed apps are available. License means we need to buy it out. Paid apps, we have free and paid apps are available. Means suppose if you take a look at your smartphone, what you will do, you'll go to Play Store, or you will go somewhere, you'll download the app and you will install it. If you need a game, what you will do is you'll go ahead and download it. Okay, if you don't download it, whatever the app already available, what you need to do, you need to develop your own. Similarly, if something is any requirement comes, instead of developing yourself, there are in salesforce.com, when you go to setup, so here there is a app exchange marketplace available here. There are different apps are available. Okay, so here what happens is, suppose recently I got a requirement that I need to track all my customers. 1 minute, I'm checking that. Okay, so recently there is a requirement that I need to track my customer feedback. Okay, so to track a customer feedback, to track a customer, so we'll get actually Timba survey. So there is a app is available, Timba survey. Suppose assume that. Okay, this is a free app. What happens is, first you need to go through the app, which is free, and what are the reviews, how it is working. Okay, if you want to watch a demo, yes, you can watch a demo here. Okay, so here you can take a look at it here. So if you have a Salesforce account, you can use it. Do you have a Salesforce account? Yes, you can do it. Continue to log in actually. Okay, you can install. There is a marketplace available. App marketplace is available. App exchange. This is the part of directory marketplace of online applications integrated with Salesforce.com. Okay, this is the one of the product of Salesforce.com. We have a database.com. There is another product which is used to query our data from Salesforce.com, which is the one of the product of Salesforce.com. Okay, so these are the different products of Salesforce.com. Okay, this is the life cycle, and these are the different products of Salesforce.com available in Salesforce system. So, do you have any queries till now? Do you guys have any queries or any solutions?
Um,
I find
so is it like, yeah, there are like many products like Forge.com, Chatter.com, Data.com, right? So for particular requirement, if there is like one particular requirement, how would I get to know like I should use this particular product and go ahead?
okay. As I said, for application development, for all the enhancement, you have to use Force.com. Okay. So this
Mm-hmm.
charter.com means, as you know, if you want to chart, if you want to collaborate between the employees or something, charter means, you know, that charter means charter. If you it, like a social
Social network.
network, okay,
Okay.
then you can go charter actually. So data.com or work.com, these are licensed ones. Every company will not use it. Only some of the companies will use it. If you want, you can buy it out. If you don't want, if you don't, because that management will decide whether you need or not. If it is already, if it is required, if they bought it, they will tell you how to use it and what is the purpose we are using in our company. Okay.
Okay.
So are you clear? Are you have any doubts? Okay, fine. So if you are clear, so what I'll do is I'll go to the next topic. If you are clear, there is a we have users and user licenses in Salesforce.com. User licenses. So what is a user here? Okay, a user is a person, a user actually uniquely identified with username and password along with the profiles and the roles. Okay, so let me show you actually here. So users and user licenses actually. Here in Salesforce, each user is uniquely identified with username and password and the profiles. Okay, so to create a user in salesforce.com, a user actually, user means is a end user. He is uniquely identified with the username, password and profile. What is a profile here? I'll show you. Go to setup. There is an option called manage users and there is an option called users. Okay, if you don't know anything, what you need to do is just simply click on here, users. It will give the navigation here. Okay, click on new user. So here, when you define a user here, you can specify the last name. Okay, you can email and username and password. So what is the username you can specify? Okay, for each user, suppose if we take a Rakesh or Manoj, whatever, we can set up a multiple users. Okay, you can set up multiple accounts for same user, but but the username should be unique, because if it is a perkinumber.com, then it is a perkinumber.com one or something. You should differentiated with a username. It should not allow same username multiple times. Okay, if you want to set up a user, you have to set up a multiple accounts for same user, but username should be unique. Okay, so this is what actually username should be unique here. Okay, this username will be elaborated with, we have a license, we have profiles and roles. What is a profile? Just I'm giving a brief introduction. A profile which determines, okay, together here you can say profile determines which tasks user can perform, what data user can see, and what the user can do with the data. Means it will determine the permissions of the user, what he needs to do in the system. The profile will determine a big role. When you create a user, whatever the profile you assign to the user, the profile determines what tasks user can perform, what data user can see, what operations he can perform over the data. This is what actually determines by profile. And it determines by user license. It will determine what are the base features of CRM you will access by using a user license. Okay, here these are the section actually, user license actually. Okay, users, but I'll show you in detail actually how to create each and every user and what is a profile, what is a role here separately, and what are the user licenses. Okay, I'll go through each and everything actually. So uh, I will do one thing. I'll stop here actually. So I'll go through tomorrow actually each and everything clearly. What about user? What is user license? Different types of user licenses. What are the profile and what is the role and everything? I'll take a look at it actually tomorrow. The first day, right? Maybe if I explain more and more, maybe you'll confuse. First, try to understand all these terminologies, and then what are the products. I'll also send a doc, and you can just uh, what you will do is today you can sign up with developerforce.com. You can go to developer.force.com. You can sign up for yourself. Okay, developer.force.com. You can go to the website here, and you can sign up here actually. Okay, when you sign up here actually, click on a sign up here. So when you sign up, you will uh, you can log into the salesforce.com. You can just navigate it actually how it is. You can see today. So once you get some idea on that, then we can continue from tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
so you can sign up. You guys can sign up. We'll join tomorrow. So tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, Friday night. So tomorrow, is it possible to join half an hour before 7 a.m. Only for tomorrow? So you can. Is
Yeah.
it possible to join
Yes.
7 a.m. Eastern? Sorry, 7 a.m. IST instead of 7:30. 7 a.m. means your
Yes,
time
yes.
is 9:30, I
It
think.
was 9:30. Yeah.
So I'm fine for 6 because I have some class. They are not available. I'm not taking the class, so that we'll continue our class. So 6:30 or
So
7:30, either of them are fine for me.
if we want to watch the video again, how can we watch the video?
Yeah, I recorded it. I will send it out right now actually. So I recorded it, right. I will after our
Yeah.
class. What I will do is, you can please drop me your email IDs. So you can your contact, please. The, I don't know, Aditya, some guy, job brand.
So can you send these 2 days material also?
Yeah, I'll send it out. Actually, you guys can, if you drop me an emails, then I'll send it out. You guys, my email ID you can note down. Just you can collaborate all of them, your email IDs, and drop me here. Drop me an email ID, baswaya@gmail. Okay, sure. Let me take it out. Let me note down here so that I'll send out. Aditya is also joined here. Manoj, I noted down Manoj, Shivaraj, and Aditya. Okay. I think Rakesh email ID I have.
Yeah.
I think. Okay, Rakesh Guntur.
3-1.
Only four guys, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send
Minahas. Minahas.
one more guy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Minhas. Sir.
Okay. So Aditya is available here or he is not joined?
No, sir. He did not join. I think so.
How would you know Minahas?
Yeah, we can see the people who join class.
In teaching guide.
Shivraj, Rakesh, and Minhas, Manoj.
Yeah, yeah,
The
fine, fine.
organization person.
Yeah, yeah, fine, fine. Okay.
Excuse me, I have a question. Like, do you cover lightning design system in this course as well?
Can you please repeat again? I think I'm missing your voice.
Yeah. Do you cover lightning design system in this course as well?
Yeah, Lightning is newly introduced. That's not a big part actually. Lightning experience, right? So that's
Yes,
not a
yes,
problem. What are
because
the features? What are the features are available in Lightning? I'll go through. No problem actually. That's not a problem. That's not a big
actually,
deal.
I joined this course to get to know about the lightning design system because the project we're dealing with is based on lightning.
But in depth, I'm not covering actually. For the Lightning, whatever the new features are introduced in Salesforce.com, I'm covering those Lightning features. Actually, I'll cover it.
Oh, okay, sure.
Actually,
Yeah,
if you drop every session, then if you don't understand, then we can see tomorrow and we can
Yeah,
understand
no,
in next class.
what I will do is, I will send it out as soon as class completed. What you can do is
Yeah.
you can just download and save in your local folder, because what I will do is I will delete it at some point of time if my drive is full. Actually, my Google
Yeah.
Gmail is full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever
So if
you
you
need
don't
those, you download.
download, what happens is when I delete it, you will not able to access the video. So that's why
Yeah.
as soon as you receive it, you can download and save it in your local folder.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'm
So
also
the integration is not, I mean, not in this course, no?
yes,
That
exactly,
will,
exactly.
that will be separately we have to learn first.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct.
Yes. Thank
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow at same time. What time?
9:30. 9:30.
Okay, 7 to 9:30 to 10:30. We'll meet it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.